Back in 1962, our site in Herne, Germany, became the birthplace of isofron chemistry. Today, the site comprises 17 plants over 250,000 square meters, of which 80,000 are available for future investment projects. As a pilot for Evonik's sustainability journey to climate neutrality, our Herne site in Germany is set to become completely independent of using fossil fuel power. And in the longer term, no fossil-based raw materials will be used for production. The climate-neutral Herne Green Deal aims to achieve this through a range of projects that build on one another. One of the first projects, and a key element for the green transformation of the Herne chemical site, was the innovative Technical Options for Thermal Energy Recovery project. Local energy supplier Uniper will install a large heat pump, so industrial waste heat from the site's cooling towers can feed into the district heating network to heat more than 1,000 local homes. By sustainably using the waste heat from our isofron production, this technical optimization enables us to take a big step toward climate neutrality. We are proud that this project was awarded first place in the German Chemical Industry Association's VCI 2023 Responsible Care Competition and acknowledged as a benchmark for a holistic transformation approach for a whole chemical production site towards green production. As the pioneer and market leader in isofron chemistry, Evonik is currently the only company in the world that can manufacture isofron diamine, and isofron diisocyanate, based on renewable acetone for a reduced carbon footprint. Since our invention of isofron chemistry, we've continuously expanded our production capacities at the Herne site, as well as at our mobile site in the US and in Shanghai, China, enabling us to support customers all over the world. Now, following the launch of our reduced CO2 footprint, eco products, we're helping customers to meet the latest sustainability and performance requirements set by their various markets. By focusing on both handprint and footprint solutions, we're playing an active role in shaping a sustainable future. The Herne Green Deal is a transformation project that can turn the site into a shining example for a sustainable chemical industry in Germany.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.